Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. I'm going to start posting videos of things that I'm buying to resell or for my personal collection. So this is going to be an unboxing video of 25 copies of the New Mutants issue number 100, first appearance of X-Force. I bought 25 copies and here it is. So let's see what we got. Okay. We'll see, it wasn't packaged too badly. Every seller on the Bay and Facebook is a little different. This isn't too bad. Got a nice thank you. Invoice. And as I get more subscribers and better at this, eventually I'd like to do some custom videos of, you know, whatever ideas some of you guys would like to see. Alright. So this is 25 copies of X-Force number 1. He described him as, let's see, I've got the ad up now. They were described as fine to very fine condition. And looks like he was right. These are all look like the direct editions, but I'm sure some are going to be better than others. But overall, I think I paid for 25 copies. I think I gave them $100 plus shipping. So. Not too bad in my estimation. Pretty pleased overall. I need to take them out, rebag them, board them, make sure they're complete, you know. Then probably sell a few to get my money back, and keep some for the personal collection and hope they go up in value. So again, thanks for watching my unboxing. They will hopefully get more exciting as I get more in. I've got some items I bought that'll be in next week, and I'll shoot some videos of that as well and post them. Alright, thanks for tuning in. See you next time.